In this video, you will learn how to create your own hashtag on Instagram. The process is really simple and it is similar for Android as well as for iOS devices. So nothing to worry about if you are on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once you are connected with the internet, tap and open your Instagram application. So after opening your Instagram, tap on this plus icon located at the bottom of screen. For example, I want to post this image. After that, tap on next, then again tap on next. So to create your own hashtag on Instagram, tap on this, write a caption bar, and then create your own hashtag. Firstly, tap on this sign and then write a new hashtag. Tap on OK and then tap on share. So this is the new hashtag. The new hashtag has been generated, and when you will tap on this hashtag, all the people who will use this particular hashtag while posting on Instagram, all those posts will be accumulated under one hashtag, and you can see all those posts by scrolling this screen. So this was the process by which you can create your own hashtag on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe before leaving. Thanks.